morning, viewers. Welcome to a curated presentation of culinary creativity and service skills at Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. And today we are here at the 7th day of the Student Induction Program organized by GNIHM under JIS Group Educational Initiatives. And here we will take you through a lovely presentation of culinary creativity and service skills. With me I have the principal of the institute, Dr. Praloy Ganguly, Mr. Xavier Gomes, the advisor, right, and also the assistant professor of Food and Beverage Service Department, who will walk us through every nook and corner of this amazing creativity showcased today. So over to you, Ankun sir.
Thank you. Good morning, all of you. Whoever is watching, we are here from the Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management to display the breakfast layout for the understanding of the students of the first year. And we are here. I'll be just taking you through every nooks of this basic area where it's basically known as the banquets, okay? We make the banquets, we lay out the banquet, and the food layout or the different buffets that have been set up for the breakfast is been showcased out here by both the F&B service and the production team. So we from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management again welcome you all to look into whatever we have done for this first year students, for their knowledge and their experience. Thank you.
Can we start with the...
Okay, certainly.
From entrance. Let us just start from the very beginning as we enter, right?
So, actually, the students are going to get inside the hall, or which is known as the banquets. Different types of banquets are there. However, what's to be noted out here is that this is a simple banquet which will be shown to the first year students, okay, so that they have an first-hand experience and knowledge. They can acquire the idea about how the banquet operates along with the food materials that are being produced, so that they can understand what is there, the different types of foods. So we enter through the door, and first we can see there's an sideboard which has been prepared just to show that banquets can also display alcoholic beverages, and the glasswares which are there, okay, different types of glasswares which have been laid out. They can have a little bit of experience, knowledge, what are the glasswares that are used in the hotels. So we go forward. I start off from the cold section. Okay, we have the cold section out here. Please, can we have a look at the cold section? Our students are here. Aditya is here.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, Onona is out here again.
Good morning, sir.
And we have Aniket. They are manning the cold section.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, we are here with the fruits cuts, different types of fruits, beautifully cut so that it looks so good and appealing, and that increases the appetite of the guest. Okay, you can see different types of cheese have been laid out. Okay, the different types of fruits. See the chefs. If we can show, our students have been doing it from the morning. We have just, can we show them there at the back? They have been toiling from the morning to deal with all these. There were the teachers around. We had Bishwajit, Chef Bishwajit Biswas, Abhijit Ray, they'll be here around. We have Anshuman Gomes sir and Chintan ma'am. All these have been prepared along with their help. The students did it. Okay, the students from second years, third years, different types of breakfast rolls, bread rolls. These are different types of breads. The crozos, the Danish pastry. So these have been prepared. See the carving that have been done by the little boys and girls of the second years and the third years or the fourth years. See the different breads, the bread carvings that have been done. Okay, and the breakfast, there are cereals. If we can show the different breakfast cereals, the muesli. Yes, I would like Aniket to just display what is there.
Okay, thank you for me giving that opportunity. So first we start with the different kind of cereals. That is, first one is cornflakes, second one is oats. After that we have some chocolate Kellogg's and that muesli.
Okay, and
And
these
then
are
various kinds of jams. which
okay.
are first.
Just the marmalade.
Okay, so first we start with the maple syrup.
Okay.
After that we have pineapple jam,
Okay,
golden syrup,
very good,
mixed jam, honey and peanut butter.
excellent.
And
And the
this
butter.
butter is always-
Okay, that's really great of you. Thank you for helping us with all that. We'll go to the other section, the hot section right now. And we have a lot of students out here again from the F&B service department as well as the kitchen. And in the meantime, while we will go there, we have the cold section again, the display of different salamis and cold cuts which have been laid out by Chef Angshuman along with the students. So here are salamis and bacons which have been laid down. I think you can see. Now, coming down to the hot section, okay, we have with us Rajanya. Okay, I'll just hand it over to her just to say what are there. Rajanya.
Good morning, sir. So first we have the French toast here. Then in the middle we have bacons. And at last we have the sausages.
So you can see the hot section which has been laid out by the students again for the first years to have an ample knowledge. And here again, Kostav is here.
Good morning, sir. Today's first is chicken pancakes, and next is the corns, baby corns, and the baked beans.
Okay, we have Pratik out here and he'll be helping us out with a lot of things. He's from the third year, so he has a little bit more of knowledge. So I'll just hand it over to Pratik. Pratik, just explain us what are they.
Hello, good morning, sir. We have a grilled tomato, we have sauteed potato, we have aloo tikki, we have sauteed mushroom, sauteed broccoli, and beans. Thank you.
Okay, so we go to other sections right now. We have, see the beautiful vegetable carvings which have been displayed by our students from the third years. So if we can just show the, see the, right? Now we come to the Indian section and we have again a few students out here who have lined up and they're here to talk about the food that has been laid out here. Anirban is going to just talk about the food which is there.
This is white sauce pasta, and this is parathas, stuffed parathas, and this is poha, and this is vada and masala dosa. And
Okay. In my left side, we have idli and sambar with coconut chutney and tomato chutney.
Okay, thank you.
And it's my right side, it's puri and aloo dum. Aloo dum, sir. It's aloo ka sabji.
And we have now the dessert section also for ourselves. And we have one of our third year student again who is going to explain about the dessert which has been displayed along with a little bit of fruit platter that has been set up by all of these students.
Hello, good morning. Here we are displaying the desserts and the whole fruits section. So in desserts we have jalebi and rasmalai, and we have the seasonal whole fruits here at the counter.
You have just garnished the food that has been laid down, right?
Yes.
So you have garnished with?
It's with dry fruits, chopped dry fruits.
Like the Garidor trolley, we have in the breakfast with the food which has been prepared directly by the chefs, and we have here our students who has been manning the area and the Garidor trolley. So here we have, he is from the third year. Yes, can you introduce and what are we servicing from here? The egg section, right? So just talk about it.
Good afternoon. My name is Shovik and Shovik Panigre. I'm from BIC third year, and today I'm in the live counter for eggs and omelets. Here we have some scrambled eggs, omelette, sunny side up. Along we have some poached eggs and steamed egg, means boiled eggs also. And I will be making some live omelette for you all. With this we have some cheese and onion stuffings.
Okay, we proceed to the Indian section where the pav and the bhaji will be prepared. So we have another third year student with us. Both of them are here. They'll just introduce themselves. Yes, please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pramit Chakraborty. I am from BIC third year. Here we have a pav bhaji section, beautiful, delicate Indian section. We will prepare it live in front of everyone who orders it and all. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. We have the biscuits, different types of tea and coffee. We have the sachets, ready-made tea also is there. So whatever we provide in the hotels, we have just displayed out here for the knowledge and experience about by the first year students. I just hand it over to Anurupa ma'am to proceed from here again. Thank you, Anurupa ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ankun sir, for explaining that so beautifully. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I see the first set of students have already come in. Like I said, this is AGAMAN, a part of their induction program, and we have aimed at introducing all the first year students to this lovely setup done by the food production and the service team along with the rooms division team. So we'll request the first set of students to quickly come and have a glimpse at this lovely creativity by your senior students and by your teachers. So the teachers out here, if you all can help them make a line, and gradually they can come forward and they can have a look at what has been done to get a glimpse of the whole thing. We want each and every student, this is actually a part of the practical process of the food and beverage service department. So here, in AGAMAN at our induction program, we aim to give the students an overall view of what actually happens in the industry and how things function. So here are the first year students. We would like to give them ample time to have a look at each and every corner. And here we also have the senior students explaining it very beautifully to the juniors. So this is what AGAMAN Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management is all about. Let us quickly move on to the student out here who can explain it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to speak. So first I am starting with the different kinds of breads and cakes. So first I am starting with a fruit cake, some breads, some bread rolls and focaccia. And there are different kinds of carvings of breads. So I am starting with the cereals. So first one is your cornflakes. Everyone know cornflakes, the first morning. After that there are oats. And after that there is Kellogg's. Yeah, chocolate Kellogg's, and this is muesli. And here are the different varieties of complements you want to like. First one is golden syrup. After that we have pineapple jam. After that it is maple sauce, mixed fruit jam, honey and peanut sauce, and accompaniment to butter. Thank you, ma'am, to speak me.
Thank you. Keep up the good work and keep it, explaining to your juniors so that, every student out here gets an idea of what is actually happening. And yes, for all my YouTube viewers or our Facebook viewers watching us at the moment, live on our Facebook page, we would also be talking to a few of the guests who would be coming in from time to time to understand what they have to say about this amazing creativity. Every year at GNIHM, we aim to give the students the best. This being the induction program, we know that classes will be starting from next week. So this is the final week of the student induction program. May I request the advisor of GNIHM, Mr. Xavier Gomes, to say a few words about what he feels, how this has been done, and also if we can say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Xavier Gomes, the advisor of the college. You see, today we are having a display of how a buffet breakfast in a five-star hotel looks like, so that the first year students can have an experience of how it looks like and what are the ingredients or what are the things that are laid out in a buffet breakfast. It includes the cold cuts, the different types of cheese, cereals, Indian food as well as continental food, where we have sausages, ham, bacon, then French toast. All these are laid out so that they have an experience and what a buffet looks like in a 5-star hotel. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I now move on to Chef Anshuman Gomes, who will talk to us and tell us how he has prepared the students for this, this sort of an arrangement. This definitely required a lot of hard work and preparation. So, Chef, how did you prepare the students for this?
Good morning, everyone. This is Chef Anshuman here. We are presenting a JNIHM breakfast menu. Now, as everyone knows that students have given a lot of effort for the whole thing. Okay, if you see the platters, the fruit platters out there, okay, these are all handmade fruit platters, the cuts which they have done. Okay, basically from base to everything, the students have made themselves. Okay, so if you see fruit cuts, if you see the breads, if you see all the fruit cuts, these are done by the students themselves. Okay, they have done that. You can see the breads which has been done by the bakery, which are freshly done. Okay, the croissant, the muffins and everything which has been prepared by the students themselves. Moreover, if you can see, we have variety of breads from the continental to the Lebanese. Okay, it's all there. Okay, so it's hats off. It's not the teachers who should be appreciated, rather the students should be appreciated because their efforts are tremendously done. Even the F&B team, I do appreciate their work. From early morning they're doing it. Thank you everyone, thank you students, thank you ma'am.
Right, thank you for explaining that to us. This entire thing took a lot of preparation, like I said, and I would like to talk to one of our food and beverage service team members, Kaustav sir. Kaustav sir, this definitely took a lot of time. Yeah, so how did you manage to have this done? And you knew that you have a deadline. Within this deadline, you have to have this done with your set of students. So if you can just tell our audience, how did you get this ready?
Timing is very important, for timing we require immense amount of work pressure, teamwork, and which is all about hotel management. Is all about basically all about management, to be precise. Time is very constant in our life, so getting all these things of setting this from the other sections of the kitchen, say for example the South Indian and the North Indians are selected from the different sections as well, and the bakeries items, the confectionery items from the other sections as well. So that requires immense amounts of management, planning and execution, to be precise, of which we will all be required to be a good manager. Thank you.
Right, it definitely took a lot of planning for this to get executed, and at the moment we can see, I would want the camera to focus on the students that are coming in, a lot of students coming in one by one, batch wise, and having a look at this lovely presentation done by the culinary team members and the service team members. So definitely practical, and I would say different sort of an experience for them, and this they will eventually experience as they go on to second years and third years. But at the moment today it will be having a look at every nook and corner of this amazing creativity set by the teachers and by the students.